This multifunctional double automatic wire feeder needs to be installed on both sides. We install one side first and then install the other side. Connecting the wire guide tube. Install the welding wire. Insert the welding wire into the wire guide tube along the wire feeder channel and fix it. The installation steps are the same for the other side. Connect the signal line. One end is connected to the wire feeder, and the other end is connected to the optical fiber welding machine. Power on. Adjust the wire feeding speed to the maximum, 100 mm per second. Click manual wire feed to allow the welding wire to pass through the wire guide tube to the other end of the wire guide tube. Install the wire guide tube head device. Fix the wire guide tube on the welding gun head. Adjust the process parameters and automatic wire feeding speed. Start welding.